Are you ready to cook up some luck for 2021? I am, and that's what I did on New Year's Day. We cooked our lucky New Year's Day dinner. We had our, it was cornbread, greens, and black-eyed peas are the three things you're supposed to eat together. So we did that, made that, and then I used our leftover holiday ham, Christmas ham, threw it all in the slow cooker, and it was so good. I don't know why I don't do this more often, but anyway, let me show you guys really quick our New Year's Day dinner, how to make a really easy, super lucky meal to ring in the new year. This is the ham I had left over from Christmas. It's our holiday ham. It was a spiral ham. I'm going to just dump this into my Instant Pot. And I'll add just a tad bit of water. Let me grab some. Just maybe a quarter of a cup, if that much. It's probably more like an eighth of a cup. And then I'm just going to put the lid on for now. And I'm just going to slowly cook this on high, slow cook for... Alright, so I've got this on 3 hours on slow cook on the more setting. That's the highest setting. I'm just going to let this cook for about 3 hours. And then that way I can just do some other things, get this nice and heated. It'll make the house smell really good. I don't have the pressure, I don't have it sealed because I'm doing slow cook, not pressure cooking. And now I'm just going to mix up my cornbread. I'm going to make some muffins, and I'm using the Jiffy mix. So all I'm going to do is pour this into my bowl, and then I'm going to add to a measuring cup a 1/3 cup milk and 1 egg, and I'm going to mix that together just to kind of blend it before I pour it into my Jiffy mix. Now I'm just going to add it to the Jiffy mix, and I'm going to stir this with a spoon until it's completely mixed well, but I'm not going to worry too much. It's going to come out lumpy, and that's okay. This expands quite a bit too when you pour it into your muffin cups. You can also pour this into a pan, and I use a 9x9, but I'm going to use muffin cups. I do have my oven heated to 400 degrees. And now I'm going to go ahead and put the muffin cups into my muffin pan. If you don't want to, or if you don't have muffin cups, you can just spray your pan with some Pam spray, but I am going to use the muffin cups. And now I'll just go ahead and spoon in the mix into the muffin cups. And this expands quite a bit, so I'm just doing like about that's not even maybe about a tablespoon in each cup, and that's about it. But this will expand plenty, as you'll see when it's all cooked up. And I ended up with just 11. I was not able to get enough for that extra cup. I'm going to bake this on 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. It did take about 20 minutes. Now I'm just going to open up my my Instant Pot. It's in the slow cooker. I do not have the pressure on. And I'm adding just a can of these Bush black-eyed peas, just canned peas. And I'm just going to go ahead and slow cook this a little longer for, it ended up being about 20 minutes until I got the greens heated through. And then I've just got these canned mixed greens. These are so good. They're Southern style, and they're just good. And I do prefer the mixed greens. So there you have it. The beans are done. The ham's done, and it is so tender. And I did take a knife and just sort of cut the meat up a little bit. It was so easy to do. And I'm going to go ahead and plate this. Just add a little bit of the ham and the beans on the plate. When I was a kid, we used to get fresh. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the muffin. That's our lucky New Year's dinner. We have it every year. So good. Well, that's it for the day. So it is Wednesday and I am just working on some projects here. It's sort of getting near the end of the day. Let me show you guys real quick. I have my self-care journal I've been working in. I've been working on my lists and just things to get myself ready and ready for this coming new year. I know we're about almost a week into it, but I'm still preparing. I'm getting ready to get ready, just making sure I have strong systems and structures in place. I'm really not working on goal setting. I'm working on creating systems and structures to support some of the healthy and positive and the habits that are working for me, to sort of strengthen those so I continue those into the new year. So we'll see. Maybe, yeah. All right. Well, that's it. That's a wrap. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Take good care, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.